There is a quote that goes like this: believe, and your belief will create the fact. There is a quote that goes like this: believe, and your belief will create the fact. I'm Peggy McColl, and I want to welcome you back to the Morning Manifestation. So think about that quote by William James: believe, and your belief will create the fact. Simple, right? Yes. However, you've got to believe. So how do you believe? Well, you must work on your muscle called faith. How do you do that, Peggy? Well, you do it by using your imagination. You start to think about what it is that you would love and then connect to the feeling states using your imagination as if you already have it right now. So on my desk here, right in front of me, I have a little green sticky note. And on this sticky note, it says, I only think from my goal. So if you believed and knew that your goal was already yours, you'd have no need for impatience or frustration or anger or worry or doubt. There's no room because you build the emotional feeling of knowing and believing and having that faith that what you desire is already yours. So the how is by using your imagination. This is a daily practice. This involves discipline. You must discipline yourself that you're doing it every single day. I know for a fact that if I want my body to be in shape, then I have to go work out. And I don't just show up at a gym and work out once. You've got to go every single day or on a regular basis. When it comes to your dreams, when it comes to your manifestations, I believe this is daily work. Every single day you work on imagining and living from your goal as if it's here right now. So build a belief within you, and your belief will create the fact. So have fun with that. Really work with your imagination today. And what you're going to be doing by working with your imagination is imagining that your dream or your wish or your goal has already been fulfilled. That's your assignment for today. Do it. Do it now. Do it in the next 5 minutes. Continually do it throughout the day. And once you do believe, your belief will create the fact. You are going to manifest like magic. I'll see you in the next morning manifestation message.